Now you Basintale actual post 10. And when we lost election, and the MPP it should learn from us how we Gyimii. We lose election. One can come who are Santa Regent. Mom go to. Oman Kumunipa. Fantiakwa. Musha de Kumo mo secretary. I said,
if you are not I'm saying, many information from Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa. A fa a blekuman to kwana a course ewo hono na me twen se Okatakyie eba be kasa na ende Okatakyie fa mensa aba be din komo na ende so parliament ne obo Malik Basintale ewo ensem obeka ye after say ye ko ablekuman no ensem e course ewo nyina no chese ntokwa esiye no ende Okatakyie fa mensa echirimu a se nkrofo na omko kontokwa no so mo anyi omo amba na se aban bi esesa sankofo ni nyina no ombe take revenge ewo sankofo nyina eso because say ye to aba na se ntokwase esi a ebetumi atena hwa ama ye manyina den aba beto da bia ye to aba ye kontokwa abusua na ensem Okatakyie fa mensa eka ye no wa send warning e de ama John Dramani Mahama se onhwe na nkrofo na omko kontokwa no woyi omu nyina embra abusua eha GH Kwabi media so message oba so a ani de mu na wa subscribe to your channel no send update bia nso etomu a onso benya bi ati na wa share ato other platforms so eden ede amaye enti abusua ye ba Okatakyie Afrifa mensa endra wa transe ewo ni show ne so na ensamo a ekoso ewo re-election na ekoso a ye bunkofo ewo ho na ye sese niema no abusua eno na ochiremu a nkrofo bi ehyehyase ena ma saa niema yi de happen ye enti omu yi sankofo nyina embra ena mema na omkoko ntokwa nyina nso no omu yomu nyina mbra na mla no ene den ene omu ND because yisi can say omu provide security but security no adane task force a omu force nkrofo ayete say omu hye nkrofo bi say omu mfiri ho abusunya eno Okatakyie fa mensa ende obebo parliament na ensem o kan ye ne de yenko na yenko tie de Okatakyie Afrifa mensa ono so ode etudwa
and this violent party. The cost of MPP is far better than Mulusu 2016 election. And yet 2016 election, Mulusu in Ashanti region, Wamoko Hokumunipa, Wamko to Kumulipa. And Basintale is when Nyansa, yes, and the rebel depart.
Party chairman, free window.
Oh, fire. Basintale, young guy, Gyae Gyimii. Gyae Gyimii, what the year we come food be and you come through a church and never sent 5K men. Now, why? Kobos Yamiano MPP for or Mudi Inquasam during the last regime. Baby, I got it because of the fear of my own baby. And when you deceive yourself and a political power and an MPP will stay in opposition. Movie 2016. No be some stay in opposition for about 20 something years. We are playing no say Okatakyie there be any do a matter. And you might be who said you sing canon.
You need discretion.
If Basintale Gyimii and I'm Penyampa Gyimii. Yes, we are a youth organizer of the NDC. It will yes say nice here to Abama and say you. Now your mama Musa question. 2 minutes become on someone say. Tina made 2 Basintale for. Basintale, you are young. You'll be in politics for long. And when you want to be in politics for long, is this the nonsense you want to do? Enra, who we are, Enra, no one can say one ground so. Odi nkwasesem we the day before no instruct microphone boys no. So the boys no kwa the day before. Ono ankasa nko ground so. O we ya no otena flight him and I mean say what Dubai what you know. What the Dubai you know. And never sent tell it to me on flight tell no VIP and we call na amema flight or fire you know. Flight number me ma bibia kama call him 80% the Emirates Airlines flight number EK 788 I call UAE Dubai or to 1819 that is 619 and ready or call straight and I'm not as Basintale one man conforma ko Gyimii and on the only it's in Jacker. Or no more Basintale go Dubai. Dubai ɔde ho akangura ana ɔtɔ no ɔtwerɛtwerɛ nkwasɛsɛm social media say I Basintale I will be here will you be here will you be here no so no atena flight ma ɔkɔkora wagya motofoɔ no na Basintale di moto na yɛ ayi wɔn win election ya Basintale ato jeep alebo no Basintale ye win election ya yo enrechi ya Basintale ato jeep alebo no wa customize Basintale enrechi ya obeyesi wonu abusa ne se ni pay yesai etu onya sika ne free he Basintale nya sika free he ode ato jeep a wa lebo no Basintale o madwini mu ohanti no mo hunu sika denti sika no kura foforo mo na ka ye public servant a Basintale ye beto abaya no yusu Highlander da dem mokaya ene ye to abawi e wato jeep wa lebo no Basintale eso ko ka sisi agana fo no beka so wagimi wonu awu busa se wonya sika wo he na me hodi wo mo ayida no me twi me Range Rover papa bia yes hârd na we twi Range Rover wagimi jimi waja 5k the trick was a cock and hold maintain composure easy and so no the Dubai me no ka say the Dubai when am yam me no ka say cock and hold no cock and hold bi o ko Dubai enyumre ya o Dubai
we dey on want na moto ne so omo da so tisi so
eti mo Basintale social media hono mo nko we wato jeep brand new jeep or the Basintale abo achire e say o sheda ba twitwi moto no a no agya akotwi jeep Basintale basi wo de minimum ase o ba me hunu mi suro kapra one person akora mi suro na we omu fidi we go sa wa really as a political power and funny enough yenya win election we na me ka 2016 say ya na MPP for the budget so say we win we say ya rob budget so okokakra the people will mind you again and that's what political power is. Now after a year reality was setting, the people will no longer fall for the gimmicks and Basintale you will be exposed. There will be some who command the chain. In 2016, Samuel Oku was commanding the grounds more than you. Jimmy say, and then Samuel Oku commanded why. And Basintale Shanyansa. Maybe you come and lose Shanyansa. Who Jimmy Dodo? Apo. Now, Jimmy, it will come back and bite you. Because they see as a political power, you are one of the first people that the other party will target. And you can't run. They will make an example out of you. And is that what you want? Basintale, young man, fine guy, potential, heavy. Because of a personality. You made a personality natural. And when you've gotten the attention of the masses, 5k men, cock and hold. Why not? You know, be immune to two. Cock and hold. You know, let me tell you, you know, any panasimo kind, it makes sense to me. Also, you won't win. Either say, Wokowa, or Mobaya, what you told the booby, and now be the two ball, or the ball, or the booby, I bet you what. Any one of them, what have you done? You've not won. And it made sense. More fire. But you pay for it.
Exactly.
Afenra yakọ by election ewo ayi ablekuma ye hwede si de de eno ye hwede omo de ye ha wakum so dani bona omo hwede it's police for and yes still police for no so mo antimi an stop boys no to we na hwede hey dan post wa ha how Akumsin was not provocating anyone ogina baby o si one meaning how Akumsin did that it we ya boys in the movie na they were going straight to how Akumsin Emma omobo even da kwa Newman eka ho da kwa Newman kan obi ano ombo ne ka ho Dr. Muhammad Obawumi aka asemi o say we will not forget and in fact we won't forget MPP won't forget na two mean come on sem. So here are your mama. The difference we will see between your government and that of Akufo-Addo, and it's a set commission of inquiry, which brought about hope. Let's see if you will set up commission of inquiry with Manofa. Owie yano so osa go ahead. Eden in such a kratase. Ed this bande Kandaha boys. Ayi Delta Force, one force, or this money, and the MPP was ahead of you guys when it comes to boys. And I'm by your boys, Shell. Can I just some more kind? What's your memo? You can't see be facing, so be facing. And not just in Kodia, no boys have a goof a party coteso. Now Kodia stop him, said Debbie. We shouldn't go that route. I'm telling you. We cannot sit down for them to come in. Total alienation, total succumbing. We cannot succumb to them. Akwatia will be a deciding factor. And they will come to Akwatia. All they are trying to do is to beat you to total succumbing. Total surrender. Just so your people will know that we've taken over the country. And it's about the optics. We should not allow. Said the Munya Intel say, and you know, you had Intel from Baba Bijimi. I'm sure most of picking Intel. Say yes, you have boy and you'll be on Fanny Dianema. Near in a wage and a wage in a house. Near to where we never so much the bad dear. We should be ready. We cannot succumb to them in Akwatia. We can never succumb to them in Akwatia. Akwatia. We should never and can never succumb to them in Akwatia. No. Somebody now must say you have your Akwatia. Muama Sama. But so much free as in Akwatia. A free menu could be a so. Bekan and a B. Ever can the last verse. When you number can a year headquarters. I'm telling you. When your member. Korea. Fire. Chassis got the boys in the back. Moon first can come on. Or move off from group your win. Rejuvenate the boys. We have them. We have them. Akwatia. Was he said your mama? He's not doing anything new. Ave yanko hata my boys in the sim who ye na omu go pick up with you. No more ye. Inti. Ave muntie boy na sem no kane. Yamu obi aye. Apart from how Okumsin, apart from how Okumsin, so now I say Lloyd, deputy organizer of the MPP. We had the Omodeya no for more. We had Omodeya Lloyd or for more. We won't forget. Never. If these people don't go unpunished, your mama, we won't forget. We won't forget you. We won't forget. Eji almost so much but many are not much of war. I'm a part of you guys. Exactly. And why do you guys believe yourself too much? As a monamo, me no kase MPP 4 boys are no more ye. Bebre agana kwatena exam. Eti muna modi mwani moji. Power sense you will run
precisely.
More fire.
Exactly.
More fire. The ordinance say try power assistance is here. Obegani. Is that how you want to live your life? Our brother Basintale na trampoline mu call Dubai. Who church in na Basintale ja hoko. Basintale ko.
On na cash in order.
Hoko. We to keep them so much here. To me sure so akwaji ni boomer free flash house. Oh, you know, Danny, have a young shay. Let your mama administration take a decisive leadership action, decisive action against what happened. I know they won't do it, but let me call on them. Let me give them the benefit of the doubt. Say they will do it.
Exactly.
What if you see a tour baby and never Basintale Gyae the war, and our MPP should learn from us, rejuvenate, read this, read that, and we will be there. Your tour baby 2016 or Mulusu. Danny, Ashanti Reggie, UTV report. Fachero, Omoma, Chema, your friends say. Sami Voto. Ene ese no ketia. Omu dwane fam pem. NDC.
More fire.
Omu hwiri fam pem. Ya da si anyare. Ya bibi for anyare. But I know that I can bet you MPP. Korea, Minya no any knows any day, any time I'm for you. But I'll tell you what, much longer you feel so what you will go. Nanabi, you will go.
Exactly.
Nanabi, you know, and I know you can do it.
More fire. More fire.
I saw that today Samia Oku was writing something to read. Same, much now, Momuchu fire so aquatia. You be
More fire.
And there was the episode then I work from home. Mammy, who are doing our comment session. Uye so anidimu na wa subscribe to your channel no send update bi anso etomu a onso benya bi ati na wa share ama afoforo anso ayeden enya bi ati eha na mede obesi ketewosi enye dodo no nwura makra bye bye.